Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all a classic Southern bread, and this takes me back to my childhood, going to my grandmother's house, and she would make this every other Sunday for Soul Food Sunday. We're going to make hot water cornbread. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious. It's going to be so buttery, and we're going to fry it to golden perfection. Y'all gonna love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist, my cornbread recipes playlist, and my previous video, Homemade Lemonade. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your cornmeal, your hot water, and heat up some oil, sugar, because we're about to fry some hot water cornbread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 1.5 cups of water, and we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, or you can use margarine. So now we're going to boil the water. I'm going to put mine in the microwave, or you can do it on the stove. We're going to let it boil for about 3 to 3.5 minutes. Alright my friends, our water is nice and hot, and the butter has melted. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the other ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1.5 cups of self-rising yellow cornmeal mix. And into our cornmeal, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of self-rising flour. Going to give these dry ingredients a quick whisk until they're well combined. Alrighty my friends, next we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of honey. Give it a nice little sweetness to our cornbread. Now we're going to add in the hot water and butter mixture. Give this a quick stir until they're well incorporated. Alrighty my friends, I'm through mixing up my cornbread batter. You just want to add the right amount of water so that way your batter could be the right consistency, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. That looks great. All right, now it's time for the fun part, forming them into patties. So we're going to take my cornbread batter, just going to flatten it like so, and you can make them any size that you prefer, just like that. And then I'm going to place them onto my cookie sheet. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish forming my cornbread patties, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I've got all my cornbread patties together. Now we're ready to fry them. In my cast iron skillet, I have canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil or corn oil, whatever your heart desires. And I got my fire over medium heat. We're going to gently add the cornbread patties right into the hot oil. Going to add 3 in. And we're going to fry our cornbread until they're golden brown. Alrighty my friends, let's take a look at the cornbread. Gorgeous! Nice and golden brown. So now we're going to let the cornbread finish frying on the other side, and then I'm going to go ahead and fry the rest, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I'm through frying my cornbread. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. So now I place them on the pan with paper towels to drain. So now I'm about to put them on the plate, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern hot water cornbread. Doesn't it look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cornbread. Have a bite. It's moist and it's perfectly cooked, nice and crispy. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Hot water cornbread licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.